Is it true that when you look at the Kaaba for the first time and you make dua, it will be accepted by Allah? This is not authentic. Again, looking at the Kaaba is something beautiful. To tell you the truth, I'd go to the Haram and maybe spend 5-10 minutes just looking at the Kaaba and enjoying its majestic view. But is it a form of worship? The answer is no. A lot of the worshippers, by the way, when they pray, instead of looking down at the position of prostration, they look straight up at the Kaaba, thinking that this is a form of worship, and this is totally wrong and against the Sunnah. So looking at the Kaaba by itself is not a form of worship. When you look at it and make dua, does not guarantee your dua would be answered. But it is something beautiful, surreal. It brings you tranquility to see this view in front of you. There's no problem with that, but do not associate it with answering your dua. Like in the subcontinent, again, and so many other Muslim countries, they say that when a pilgrim comes back from pilgrimage, from Hajj, his dua is answered for 40 days. Where did they get this from? I have no idea. Does this have any authenticity to it? None whatsoever. It's totally fabricated. So base your belief and conviction not on what Sheikh so-and-so say on YouTube or on TV, not on what Sheikh so-and-so claim or write down, but rather base it on Quran and on the Sunnah.